Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python functions call by reference. So first of all, what are functions in Python programming? So function is an indented block of code which is used to perform specific task in a program. So coming to some technical points related to the functions. So function is used to divide our program into small modules. We call it as modular programming. A function can be defined once and it can be reused or called any number of times. So function eliminates repetition of code and saves wastage of memory in a program. So we have two types of functions. First one, predefined functions like print function, range function, input function, etc. So these predefined function, they will come with Python software in different modules. Second one, user defined functions. So these functions are defined by the user or developer as per the requirement in a program. So now coming to the syntax for function with call by reference. So here we are going to take a function something like def f1 with input parameters, and then I'm going to call this function f1 with arguments. So how call by reference is achieved? So first of all, what is call by reference? So call by reference in function means any changes done with formal parameters are directly reflected or updated to actual arguments at function call. So for example, here we are passing arguments to f1 function. So technically, let us assume or let us say that these are actual arguments. And then these actual arguments are assigned to f1 function in function definition for formal parameters. So if we do any changes with formal parameters in the body of the function, then those are updated to actual arguments. So this is called as call by reference, and this is achieved by passing object reference. So when we pass object reference as argument, in memory the formal parameter will be pointing to the same object to which actual argument is pointing to. Okay, so if you do any changes with formal parameter, then it will be updated to actual argument at the function call. So here object references are list, set, dictionary, because these are mutable objects. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python functions example 4. So let us take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking a function f1 with list2 as input parameter. Now for this list2, I'm appending some elements. List2.append 60, 70, 80. And after that I'm printing list2 inside f1 function comma list2. So here we'll get the updated list2. Okay, so now let us start with list1 outside the function 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So print list1 before calling the f1 function. Print list1. So let us execute till here. Right, so save this program. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and then run Python function example 4. Right, so this is a list1 before f1 function call. So list1 contains 5 elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So now what I will do here, I will call the function. So take one empty print, you'll get an empty line. So call f1 function by passing list1. So what happens means in memory, list1 will be pointing to 5 elements and list2 also points to the same 5 elements. So what I am doing, using list2 object reference variable, I'm appending 60, 70, 80. So that will be updated to the same list. So in the same list you will get 60, 70 and 80. 3 extra elements, and print list2 inside the function. So save this and then run the program. So this is list2 inside f1 function. So previously we had 5 elements, now we have 8 elements. Now after executing this function, the control will come back to line 17. So here after that I'm taking one empty print and then I'm printing list1 after f1 function call. Print list1. Now since list1 is also pointing to the same updated list which is done by list2. So when you print list1 after the f1 function call, it will print updated list with 8 elements. So this is called as call by reference, which means that, so here list1, okay, so list1 is actual argument, and then list2, I'll write it here. So list2 is a formal parameter. So any changes done with formal parameter are also updated to actual argument outside the function call. So this is how call by reference is achieved in Python functions. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.